Hey guys, it's Dr. Emer. I'm super excited for you guys to be here today with one of my younger patients who's starting his full facial rejuvenation. We literally got rid of years worth of sun damage on him in a Cosmelan Peel, which he took upon himself to start promoting online, which I was super happy about because it showed a lot of people how much sun damage can be removed from just peels and skincare. And now what we're doing, after he did a few weeks of that treatment, we're now doing my signature Titan Bright, which is a combination of microneedling radiofrequency, which you can see here. This is the MORPHEUS8 treatment, along with, and I'm going to just increase the strength here, hold on 1 second. Along with laser, on him specifically, we're going to do Fraxel because I really want to focus the 1927 wavelength on his previous sun damage. Now, I want to show you guys something. Look at how much blood we have. Now, there may not be as much in the cheek area, but on his forehead there was a lot of bleeding. And that's because he has fragile skin cells. That means that a lot of those cells that actually were underlying sun damage are now getting irritated when we are doing these energy treatments. The MORPHEUS is going super deep, 3 millimeters, to give him tightening on the forehead, 2 millimeters, and around the eyes. And that is going to basically damage those crazy sun damaged cells and tell them, produce collagen and make me look beautiful. We want to build tighter, improved skin. We also want to prevent him from getting skin cancer. Remember, you guys, I started out doing skin cancer treatments. That's how I really got into doing lasers and influencing what I do today. So I want to focus not only on how he looks, which we obviously want to just keep him looking beautiful and looking great and feeling good for his age and himself, obviously the best version of you, but I also want to make sure we limit risk for him long-term problems with his skin. So look at those little pinpoint bleeding. And you can see these deep needles, gold-plated. Look how deep they are going into the skin, you guys. Deep, okay? Those are going all the way in. And in men, you want to go a little bit deeper because they have thicker skin, they have more sebaceous skin. How is it feeling? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. He has nerve blocks, you guys, which I think makes it much more reasonable. How painful was the nerve blocks?
Not bad.
Okay. It's okay. No, I'm not trying to embarrass you either. But when I got my teeth done, I thought it was hilarious. I made a live while I had nerve blocks in. I couldn't speak and I was drooling over everything. It was great. But look at you guys. Look right there. Just that deep. Look at that bleeding right there. That means not only is he going to get a significant amount of collagen production, we are getting rid of those terrible sun damaged cells. The cool thing about MORPHEUS, you guys, turn to the left for me, is you don't get a lot of downtime actually from it because most of the energy is deep. These are coated needles. With the laser though, that's where he's going to see the peeling. It's going to be deep with the laser, which I want because we need to get him good results. And so what I'll love is for him to take some pictures and videos every day, send them in. We can get a really great transition photo and show like how much. Now remember, these treatments are not even immediate. I know you guys always comment, where's the BA? Where's the BA? I'm like, give it a little time, you guys. Collagen takes time. Okay, collagen takes time. But what I want to do is get his transition up to like 10 to 14 days. And then take a look at him 1 or 2 months later because that's when his skincare will be kicking in, his long-term effect with all the collagen production that he's been doing. I'm going to do a second pass over his lip because there was so much bleeding there originally. I want to get rid of even more sun damaged cells that may be there. And then the key component, are they saying anything? You can let me know.
Well, they want to know if it's the vampire facial.
This is the vampire facial on steroids, you guys, because this is energy. This is deep electrical energy, radio frequency in a needle. And so what we're doing, I want to also tighten his neck area. And this is an area men tend to be coming in for much more. Now you may get a little contraction in your tissue, meaning you might, your lip or your jaw might kind of contract. It's normal if that happens, just so you know. But we're going really deep here along the neck, and I'm really pressing the skin in here to get deeper with the needling because this area tends to form sagging and sort of creepiness, and we really want to improve this with tightening, and we do that with this microneedling RF.
They want to know, can you go close to the eyes with this for crow's
You
feet?
can. We went all the way. We did all the way in the crows. Look, all the way through here. We went all the way up here. You can. You just don't want to needle someone's eye, of course. This is microneedles, so with energy, so you don't need eye shields. When we do the laser, we're gonna need the eye shields, and we're going all the way up to his clavicle, because that's where a lot of guys. And then the other thing is, I like to extend a little bit throughout, even further back, because sun damage does occur all the way back here. Don't just stop in the front. We need to extend back here. We'll do that same thing when we do the laser. So we're gonna extend it down.
Johnny wants to know if this is safe for all skin types.
This is a coated needle, you guys, so that means it is completely safe. Also, you can use all the Emerage skincare products immediately, because I designed them to be used post-laser and energy treatments, especially the Refit Face, Hyla-V, and then even in a week or two, we can do an Aerify kit and get an amazing boost of the result. That's at emeragecosmetics.com, but I want him specifically to be doing peptides and stem cells. We love Antioch MD. It's one of the best stem cell products that's out there. It's made of bone marrow derived stem cells. And Hyla-B, hyaluronic acid. We also love the SkinCeuticals B5. We also use vitamin C. And then in a week or two, he'll start his retinol hydroquinone combination. And even I would tell him Cosmelan 2, which he was using during Cosmelan twice a week. Just keep using that. All that can start in about a week to 2 weeks. And look, turn all the way to the right now. Yeah, perfect. So now we're going to go again, all the way back.
Johnny says he loves the Emerage Refit eyes.
I love Refit Eyes so much, you guys. I actually originally wasn't going to design an eye product, but I did it because we laser so much eye around the eye, and that product helps it heal so much faster, especially when you combine it with the vitamin B. I'm going to do an extra little bit along his jawline here, because I really want him to get tighter. He's doing amazing, you guys, with the nerve blocks, but overall, just very motivated to get an amazing result. And when you have that positive mental status, you are ready to take on the world. Okay, look straight for me a second just to make sure. Now I always take a look, see if there's any areas we should double pass. Sometimes I'll do a little bit extra along the chin and jaw, especially in a younger guy. Get him tighter, get him brighter. So we're gonna go, you know what I mean? Tighten it up. Everyone likes everything tighter lately, nowadays. Right? And I'm not talking about the face only. You know how many people are using Aerify all over the body. We talked about that in a recent article. So we're gonna do an extra pass on his lower face just to get more tightening here. At the 3 millimeter depth.
Is he asleep?
He is awake and laughing. Oh, he's doing great. He just looks very comfortable. So we did the full face and neck, and I'm going to show you guys really quickly. If you go down a little bit, we can go all the way up to the eye. We can go right here and tighten it a little bit. And the nerve blocks really help. I also like doing the nose to get some of the sebaceous glands to shrink them down. Perfect.
Does this help with pores, enlarged
It
pores?
helps with enlarged pores, but I find that lasers and peels do more with that. And then also right up in the edge of the eye, let's tighten the corners, let's lift the corners, and now we're set. So that's Morpheus, that's our tight part. Now we need to go into our Fraxel, that's our bright part. Stay tuned. All right, now we're gonna